development is the process of creating applications for mobile devices that run on the Android operating system. Android is a popular mobile operating system that powers billions of devices worldwide, and it is based on the Linux kernel. Programming languages are an essential aspect of Android development as they are the foundation of creating applications for the Android platform. The two primary programming languages used for Android development are Java and Kotlin. Both Java and Kotlin are compatible with the Android SDK, which provides libraries and tools for building Android applications. The Android SDK includes APIs for accessing device features such as the camera, sensors, and GPS, as well as tools for working with databases and integrating with third-party services like Google Maps and Firebase. While Java and Kotlin are the primary programming languages for Android development, developers can also use other languages such as C++, Python, or JavaScript. However, these languages are not as well suited for Android development as Java and Kotlin, as they require additional setup and configuration to work with the Android platform. Android development involves designing, developing, testing, and publishing applications to the Google Play Store. Developers use various tools such as Android Studio and Integrated Development Environment, that is IDE, to create Android applications. Android Studio provides a user-friendly interface for developers to create and test their applications on various devices and emulators. Android development requires knowledge of various APIs and libraries provided by Google, as well as familiarity with Android design principles and guidelines. Developers need to ensure that their applications are optimized for performance, battery life, and user experience. They must also ensure that their applications are compatible with various Android versions and devices. Overall, a career in Android development can be rewarding and lucrative, offering both stability and the opportunity for growth and creativity.